Let's together create 1 million conscious people on this planet. Today we're going to talk about how we are actually beings of light and how a constant interaction with the light as well as the electromagnetic field within us can give us an superpower of healing the planet. For centuries, we've been told that brain rules the heart, so on and so forth. I'll pick some very small phenomenon actually. It's called Takotsubo cardiomyopathy, a broken heart syndrome. Somebody experiences a death in their family or loss of a person or a heartbreak, and then physically heart weakens without even a heart attack. And what does this prove? Emotions are not just abstract. What you feel, what you experience is just not abstract sitting somewhere. They're nothing but electrical and magnetic signals. In fact, our science confirms us that heart generates an electromagnetic field which you can measure it 3 feet away. If you have devices at home, go ahead and do that. How strong you are at heart when compared to rest of the people around you. We are just beings of light. At a cellular level, our each cell in our body emits a faint light waves. They're called biophotonic emissions, and this is what we call aura. You see that photographs in your home where around the head of your so-called favorite god there's colorful light around it. That's nothing but aura, and each of us carry that actually. When you feel an emotion, your DNA acts as a software and uses the protein switches on those emotional wavelengths and continuously rewires your biology. When you and this happens in a constant tandem and a constant interaction. Uh, Together with brain and heart, there's always a duet going on. It starts a thought, cognition, structure. Heart provides that resonance of frequency vibration. When ancient scriptures spoke of pineal and pituitary glands as transducers of cosmic light, they are describing something like biological radio. Every emotion that you choose alters your heart rhythm, which instantly shifts your brain chemistry. And they operate at a harmony where there's a heart and brain coherence happening in rhythm. And this coherence doesn't stay trapped in you, it constantly interacts with the field around you. Um, it's something like it creates ripples around you. Quantum physics reminds that the fabric of matter surrounding us responds to your energy and intention. And a single conscious breath is never private. Whatever you're experiencing right now is not just very intimate and very much to you. It's like as you're breathing, you're actually healing your planet. When you're breathing, you are actually having a cosmic harmony through which you can change the world just by being inside out. And with that thought, I leave you to think over how can you look at each of your feelings, be aware of them, and make your heart and mind breathe together today. Thank you once again for joining.